Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can change the nickname that the Google Assistant calls you on basically any Android smartphone. So in prior of starting, let me remind you guys that we highly recommend that you update your Android to its latest version. Let's go ahead and start. First of all, you gotta call up for the Google Assistant. Okay Google. Then you gotta go to settings, open up settings.
Opening settings.
My bad. Okay Google. Open up Google Assistant settings.
Opening Assistant.
Here you gotta look for the basic info setting, basic info category. Go for it. Choose nickname, and here just type in the nickname that you would like the Google Assistant to call you. For example, car.
Car.
And from now on, the Google Assistant will call you and will address you as car. And there is also the second way that I would like to show you. So let me start. Hey Google. Okay Google. Change my nickname to Elephant.
You'd like me to call you by the name Elephant, is that right?
Yes.
Sure, I'll call you Elephant from now on.
Alright, great success. Now let's go ahead and check it. Okay Google. Open up Google Assistant settings.
Opening Assistant.
Just look for the same basic info category. Choose nickname. And as you can see, our nickname has been successfully changed to Elephants. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.